welcome back to our third cash stuffing of August. We have one more week and we are going to jump into my wallet. So I actually have, I think, $10 left in my wallet today. I'm going to stick this back here in the back and we'll find out where to put that. But to start us off, we are going to fill up our wallet. And first we are going to do $30 for our eating out. $30 is going to go into spending. $80 is going into groceries. For those of you guys who are new, and if you have a question about the groceries, this is kind of our grocery buffer. My husband gets the groceries for the most part, and then there are specific things that I may want. So that's what that's for. Gas or fuel is going to get $25. But there is a cash budgeter that is single, and she budgets $80 per week, and she meal preps. So it's definitely possible. And, you know, if you're someone who's not shopping at the most expensive grocery store and having steak and lobster and shrimp every night, it could definitely be done. Lastly, for buffer, we are adding $10 of 5 and 5 ones, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I do use Fetch Rewards app. I have never actually put it in here or talked about it, but I've had it for probably over a year now, and I will add the link in the description below in the event that you want to sign up for Fetch. It's a free rewards app. Nothing's required except for you to insert or scan the receipts that you typically would just toss in the trash. For just generic receipts, you get 25 points. If there's something additional, you may get 300 points, depending on what you scan. You have to look at the different categories, and I will try and link clip in the video for you to see how it is done. I know for one, they have Walmart on there, and if you purchase through that app, so let's say you shop at Walmart and you click on Walmart within the app, and you purchase some of the items that they have designated for extra points, you get all those extra points. And once you've accumulated enough points, you can turn those points into gift cards. And there, it's absolutely free. There is absolutely no cost to you. It is just what you typically purchase. And it's great. I typically use it for my Sephora gift cards or an Amazon gift card. So you can, there's a wide range. They've got home goods, they've got home improvement, they've got every card category that you can think of as far as getting a gift card. So now let's jump into our binders. We did our wallet. Let's go ahead and move on to our, we're going to move to our most basic emergency, and we are going to add $83, guys. We have $83 left to complete, and I am adding that here. 50, 70, 80, 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to put that in here. I can't believe that we're that close. The time went by extremely fast, and like I said, I honestly just used money after spending, which is why I have nothing left over in my wallet. Typically, my singles would go into my $1 challenge that I would keep in my binder. But right now, I'm no longer doing that because I had to switch gears after a dental emergency, and it just made me want to focus on funding my emergency fund with $2,500 at the very least. It will continue to grow throughout the year. Also, my dental buffer, I want to make sure that that is taken care of, car maintenance, as well as emergency fund. So that is where I have switched gears. Okay, so next we're going to add $50 and a $50 bill to our monthly savings challenge that we do with Yancy at Budgeting My Debts. And I am going to add funds there. Okay, so we are going to add, for car insurance, we are adding $65, and we're doing that in a 50, a 10, and a 5. So now for car insurance, we've got 50, 100, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, and $85. Next is for car payment, and we're adding $90. Let's check these off. And that's going to be a 50 and 2 20s. So right now for car payment, we've got 100, 50, 70, 90, 210, 230, 250, 270, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. So we've got $280. Next is our AT&T cell phone bill, and that is going to get a $50 bill. So we now have 150, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. We have $160 in our AT&T cell phone bill. Oh, come on. Okay, so we are adding 310, 1, 2, 3, and a $10 bill for my son's rent. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 40, 60, 80, 9, 10, 20, 30. So we have 930. Okay, so now we are moving on to our gas bill, and gas bill is getting a $50 bill. We've got 1, 20, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. So we've got $160. Next, we have internet, and internet, let me make sure I pay attention to this one, is getting $27. So it'll be a 20, a 5, and 2 1s. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. $91 for internet. We are not doing life insurance this time, but for streaming, we are doing $18. Okay, I think I'm missing some ones, so I'm gonna take 3 from over here, and we need a 10, 15, and 3 1s, made it 18. So for streaming, we've got 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 64 for our streaming service. Subscriptions, we're just going to add a $10 bill because This one actually comes out of my direct deposit, but we've got $20 in here. Let's check this off. Okay, so we did subscriptions, so utilities is going to get $90. It's going to get a 50 and 2 20s. And this is for our DWP. And it now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 310, 330, 350, 360, 365, 370. And that is it for our bills binder. Okay, so next we're going to move into our household binder. And I think there's something going on with my denominations, so I'm going to swap this out for household items. I have 25 in here, so I'm going to put that here, and I'm going to take the 50 and put that there. So I still have $50 that I don't know where it should be. But I know that we're doing $35 for the kids binder. We are adding, I want to make sure I do this. We're adding $5 for Ace. So this should make his envelope $15, and that's what it has. For Miss Clark, she's getting a 5, and that should give her 15 as well, which it does. Next for my son, he is getting 10. And so he should have 38 now. 10, 20, 25, 35, 36, 37, and 38. All right, for Miss Sweet and Low, she's gonna get $5. Let's make sure to add in the other 5. So she should have 17, 5, 10, 15, 16, and 17. Now we have our Lenny boy who is getting $5 as well. So that gives him $17. And if you guys like this little candy challenge, this is by GB at Income Babes. He's got 5, 10, 15, 16, and 17. And these are on her Etsy shop, and they are available. Everything is downloadable, so it's fairly reasonable. But also check out her channel. She does a lot of information on savings and getting through tight times and all of that good stuff. She's just a real inspiration. And I mean, my hat goes off to her for all of these amazing playful challenges that she's created. Okay, so last we're going to give $5 to Mayana, and this gives her a total of 15. And let's add this to her card. And so now she has $15. So this is it for the binder for the kiddos. And then we have the matter of the two $5 bills that we had left over from our wallet. And I think this time I'm going to add it to, not the most basic, but I'm going to add it to my month ahead challenge. So we're going to add $10 here because every little bit helps. And I want to be able to definitely complete my next category or two, hopefully by the end of the month. But we'll see where we are. So we did kids. And so everything has been complete. And then we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Not sure where that goes, but I'll figure it out. But that is it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the content that I'm creating, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Also hype up. I know that there's this hype up button. So I've definitely used it to hype some people up. I don't know what it does, but you know, it can't hurt for you to go ahead and hype me up. So that is it for today. And I will link the information in the description below for the 2 600 subscriber winners. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.